Now we'll discuss about what. So this is what we are discussing about OTC derivatives and the exchange traded derivatives. So what is the advantages of OTC derivative is the price is not transparent. So it is a limitation in OTC derivatives. Maybe if you go for with a requirement of $1 lakh, the bank manager will give a different price for you. And if somebody comes there with a 10 lakhs and he will give a different price for him. So price is not transparent. But whereas when it comes to exchange traded derivatives, the price is transparent. So the counterparty risk is available in OTC derivatives, which is not available in exchange traded derivatives. Now I will not say that counterparty risk is not available, whereas the counterparty risk is being managed by exchange or taken care by exchange. Since they have collected the margin money, so the counterparty risk is being reduced or eliminated. Again, the liquidity risk is liquidity which is less in OTC derivative. Since the contract size has been standardized, the liquidity is more. So more number of participants comes into picture. And as far as price risk is concerned, this is what we have discussed. Whether it is OTC derivatives with respect to forward is also available, with respect to future is also available.